Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Rebecca Speech, an art teacher from Illinois. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hey everyone, my name is Rebecca and today I want to show you how to create a very cool artwork using one-point perspective. In fact, we're going to create a shooting star that uses that strategy, and there's only a few things that you need in order to complete it. You're going to need a blank sheet of paper and a pencil in order to do the black and white version. However, I have two versions of the project that I'll be showing you throughout the video, so if you're a person who does want to add pops of color to your piece, you'll also need a set of colored pencils or markers to go ahead and add that pop of color in later on. So take a moment, grab those few things, and meet me back here so we can get this drawing started.
On your blank paper, use a pencil and draw a star. The placement of the star needs to be off center. You're going to notice I use the upper left corner of my paper, and you're also going to see that my star looks like it's all crisscrossed. This is the best way I find to create a nice even star. You simply erase the middle from your star shape and crispen up the edges as needed. Next, make a small dot on your paper. It should be on the opposite corner. So in my case, it's on the bottom right of my page. From each visible corner of the star, you're going to simply draw a line from the corner of the star to that dot, which is acting as our vanishing point. Now, in traditional perspective, usually an artist will use a ruler to make a perfectly straight line. But in our case, because we're trying to make a shooting star, we are freehanding our lines to our vanishing point, and we are purposely trying to create a curved line from each point of the star to that dot. Use your pencil and continue to fine-tune this sketch as much as you need to. The next step is to take a black marker and outline your drawing. This is an optional step, it's not required, but I do like to tell my middle school students to outline their designs sometimes because it allows their drawing to stay put and really makes things pop. Preferably, you should use a permanent marker that's a little bit on the thinner side. I just used what I had at the moment, so I'm using a regular thick black Crayola marker. Again, this is an optional step. You don't have to do this. I just think it helps make the drawing look more finished. Now it's time to start coloring. So choosing either regular pencil or colored pencil, I want you to start shading in your artwork. You're going to notice throughout the video, I'm showing you both versions of the project. Regular pencil goes a lot faster than colored pencil, but if you want color, it's definitely worth the extra effort. With both of these, I really focus on smooth, even shading, and I play around with varied pressure, pushing both hard and soft with my pencils to make sure that I have a range of values. In colored pencil specifically, you want to focus on blending different colors together. Once you're done coloring in your star, take a moment and activate your background space. In my case, I'm going to draw a giant flame around my shooting star just to emphasize that it's flying through the air. I could have easily just left the star on the paper, but I always encourage my students to think about how to finish off an artwork, and in this case, the background being a giant blank area wasn't going to work. So I'm going to continue filling in my flame and think about other things I could add in later on to activate those blank sections. I decided the last thing to do to finish off this artwork was to add a bunch of dotted strokes to make the blank space behind the shooting star look like a sky. It really adds a finishing touch to the artwork. When you finish, don't forget to take a photo and publish your artwork to Artsonia. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your artwork on Artsonia.